This is perhaps the most badly damaged iPhone 14 Pro Max I have ever received. A customer sent this to me with a heavy heart, explaining that a heated argument led to a moment of uncontrollable rage. He smashed the phone so hard against a wall that it wasn't just broken, it was completely crushed. When I first unboxed it, I honestly thought it was a total loss. The titanium frame was severely bent, the back glass was turned into dust, and the Super Retina display was bleeding ink everywhere. But this phone held years of irreplaceable memories and data that he couldn't afford to lose. I started by carefully stripping down every single internal component. Because the frame was twisted, I had to migrate everything into a brand new, original housing. This is a surgical process. Every tiny screw, the Taptic engine, the logic board, and the delicate ribbon cables had to be handled with extreme precision. After ensuring the internals were safe, I installed a genuine Apple display and a new battery to give it a fresh life. Cleaning the logic board from microscopic glass shards took hours of patience. Now, look at this masterpiece. You would never believe this was the same piece of junk I started with. It's no longer a symbol of anger, but a symbol of a fresh start. If you enjoyed this transformation, hit that like button and subscribe to Opulent Orbit for more elite restorations.